When we reached the top and we felt like awesome that we had gotten there because it was like so fun.
Sabrina, what's it like to climb something blindfolded?
It's challenging, but if you work together, you can achieve it.
Since we were blindfolded, we weren't always on the right side of it, but in the end, we did it. And yeah.
Rajan, what was the hardest part of your climb? Well, I was blindfolded and I couldn't see.
How awesome we are.
Yeah. The hardest part was probably the last run.
What about you, Victor?
I think the hardest part for me was to help Adam get off because it's
Really a challenge.
We'd like to thank our JKers for the support they gave us out today. We'd like to thank our 6th grade families who came and took the time out of their day to watch us climb. And we'd like to thank the whole school for coming to join our assembly.
In Project Challenge, I learned that it's important to work together to achieve a common goal.
In Project Challenge, I learned to trust my classmates with my fears.
In Project Challenge, I learned to believe in myself.
In Project Challenge, I learned to conquer my fears.
If you have your friends to help you, you can do whatever you want.
I learned to never give up and trust the people who believe in me.
I learned to trust myself and to try new things.
I learned that even if you're out of your comfort zone, you can still have fun. When you're finished, you feel like you're on top of the world. I learned to challenge myself and keep on trying.
If you want to give up, keep trying and you'll succeed.
I learned how to take risks.
I learned that it is good to communicate using both verbal and physical communication.
I learned that teamwork and communication are key, and that it's not always good to climb with your best friend. You want to climb with someone that challenges you.
I learned to help a teammate who was uncomfortable with heights to reach the top of a really difficult course.
In Project Challenge, I learned that you can do whatever you put your mind to.
I learned that you have to rely on others and let others rely on you.
In Project Challenge, I learned that cheering for somebody on the ground can be just as helpful as helping and climbing with them in the air.
I learned to be better at rock climbing, but more importantly, how to communicate and be part of a team.
I learned that I can trust others, and it's also important to trust myself.
Teamwork is the best way to get to the top, not going solo.
My favorite memory of Project Challenge was me climbing the Giant's Ladder with my feet tied together and blindfolded.
My favorite memory is getting to the top of the slip and slide and sitting on the tire.
My favorite memory from Project Challenge is seeing all my friends get to the top of the elements even when they thought they couldn't.
My favorite moment was when I touched the ceiling at the top of the cart in it.
My favorite moment was when I got to the top of the slip and slide and got to sit in the tire.
My favorite moment was when I finally got used to the heights, because I used to be afraid of the heights, but I am not anymore.
My favorite moment was when I reached the top of the Giant's Ladder.
Project Challenge is great because it helps you work on your teamwork skills and conquer your fears.
I conquered my fear of heights.
Project Challenge is fun because I got to spend time with my friends. I got to climb some things I'd never done before, and I got to climb it with some people I barely knew, and it was awesome!
Project Challenge brings people together and helps them learn about each other.
It was an awesome experience that I really enjoyed.
It is a great team bonding project that allows you to challenge yourself and unwind at the end of the day.
Project Challenge creates friendships. It teaches people that there are more important things than themselves in life.
Project Challenge teaches you things about yourself that you didn't know.
Project Challenge teaches you about yourself and your classmates.
It teaches you how to cooperate, feel accomplished, and have fun at the same time.
It teaches you perseverance.
It teaches you to strengthen your skills in teamwork, communication, and challenging yourself to go as far as you can.
Project Challenge is great because when you reach the top of an obstacle, the feeling of completion is so awesome.
You get to climb up high!
And it's fun!
Life's a climb, but the view is great.
Project Challenge is fantastical because when you get to the top of an element, the success is just like a bolt of electricity that just goes